Hi everyone, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to program hot water button on Nouva Simonelli Espresso machine. To enter the programming function for each group, it is necessary to hold down the continuous button P7 for 5 seconds. The delivery keys will begin to flash. Accessing the programming mode for the first group also enables the setting mode for the machine's operating parameters. Press the hot water selection key, then hot water delivery will begin. Decide the required amount of hot water and then press the P3 key again. Press the Continues button P7 to exit the programming function or to continue programming other selection keys.